So, welcome back. So now we're going to start on the next part, which is the beading. Earlier I showed you a few ideas. You can use just string to attach them together, or you can use beads. So our count is 10, so you're going to go down 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so you're going to pull it through. And you're going to leave a little dangle in there, because you're going to need to tie it together. So we're just going to pick an orange bead, and then a little shiny, and then another bead. And we're going to run it through, and we're going to put them in there, right here. And then you're going to count down 10. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're going to come through your 10th hole. That's why I said use lighter beads, because these are a little bit heavy. So there you have that one. So now you're going to count down 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to pull that through. You're going to pick, I think we'll do a white and then a black bead. Alright. Then we're going to count down 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since that's our 10th one, we're going to go through that hole. There you go. So now we've got those so far. Then we're going to count down our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to go through that hole there. And we're going to pick, let's do green, a shiny, and I guess that's a pink. Drop those in there, like I said. And then we're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to hold my spot, stick it through there, and lay that down. So we got 2 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to pull through there. And then we've got a blue one and a blue one, so I guess we'll do this one and this one. Nope, can't use that one because we already used that one, so let's do this blue one. Alright. Oops. So, good thing I did a mistake. So now you can see where I made my mistake. Okay, so how do we unfix it? Of course, we'll just take the beads off. We're going to pull this down a little bit snug. Go back through that hole there. Pull that out. And we're going to start again. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we got to go through this way. There we go. Got a little confused there. All this bright light is blinding me. Alright. So, alright. And if you remember, I do have diabetes, so I don't see very good. Alright, so the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to hold my spot. I'm going to pull that through there. And then that. It's going to lock that one in. So far it's coming together. So now we're down to our last 3 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that goes on this side. Like, alright, I apologize. This is why I haven't made videos in a while. My eyes are kind of blurry. This diabetes is, I'm not doing too good, so thank you for bearing with me on this. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Alright. So now that we've got our last one done, we're going to put our beads on here. And we're going to lay those there. Drop those down. We're going to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to pull through there. Okay, don't get flustered, because it's going to happen. Could happen to me or you or anyone, especially beginners. And I'm not going to edit out my mistakes because you're probably going to make the same mistakes I have. And that's what we want. We want mistakes. I like my videos to be professional, but at the same time, I want you to learn from experiences and mistakes. So we undid that mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to pull through that one. So now our beads are lined up. We're going to pull this one a little bit further out, and then you're going to tie these off very tightly, as tight as you want them. Then run it through again and pull it very tightly and very tightly. And then you're also going to need a way to hang it, so you can either hang it from that, or you could snip this off, or you can put these two together, cut off some of this extra, tie these together like this. There you go. And then snip off the extras, and voila. Now you have this beautiful ornament. You've got your beads, and then you have your way to hang it. And then when you hang it, can't see it hanging, of course, but there you have it. So that's with the little bit heavier beads, and then these are with the cheaper beads that you can get at any local store. So there you have it. So thank you for watching my tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and tell me what you think of this idea. And I also want to thank you for your cooperation while I made some errors, because as you know, when you're a beginner and you're learning, it's been many years since I've made these, so you know, if your mistake is my mistake or my mistake is your mistake, you can figure it out with me together. So we can do this together. So I really am not big on editing videos. I like to keep my mistakes in there just in case you make those mistakes. I've had a few comments below that said they wish I left the mistakes in because it might have helped them fix their mistakes. So I've decided I will leave my mistakes in my videos. So that's just part of the learning process. And I appreciate your loyalty. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.